The most effective way of looking after your UPS is regular servicing. This will not only ensure that it is safe, but will also protect against failure to support your systems. With thousands of watts of power running through the UPS, safety is paramount. Above all things is the safety of site personnel. We make sure that the UPS looks in good condition, that there has been no deterioration due to moisture or heat or environmental conditions like excessive dust, and then make it safe to work on. First of all, we record some data from the UPS, download the history logs, check input and output voltages, loads, and any alarms that may be present. That's important because if we arrive to find the UPS in bypass or alarming, the logs may give us an indication why. Importantly for the customer, we've installed an external bypass switch to ensure we don't have to shut down the IT systems. We ensure all our installations are fitted with bypass panels just for that reason. So let's prepare the unit for bypass. Open the battery fuses and break the input and output supply. Now it's in bypass and we've locked off the power to the load, the IT systems are running, but the UPS is safe to work on. We can open it up now and get the front panel off. Firstly, we must inspect and check all the external cable connections. We'll remove the panels now and carry out a full visual inspection. We ensure the display panel is working properly. Then inside we're looking for any signs of increased temperature or overheating, checking the fans are moving freely and the filters are clear. It can get hot in there. The inverter, for example, is designed to run at over 40 degrees Celsius. Check critical components such as capacitors to ensure that they're not bulging. Check board connectors and connections and cables. Even fuses can age and they may need to be replaced. Check the batteries and battery terminals for signs of sulfating and leaks. We also check the date of the battery, which will indicate its age and whether it is about time it should be changed before it fails. Everything looks good. We'll re-energize the unit, putting the panels back in place first. We'll power up but run a diagnostic check first. We leave the UPS in bypass. We can switch the EMBS back to normal when we've finished. The acid test is switching the unit back on to inverter. Once that is done, there is one more essential test, running the unit on battery and ensuring the battery supports the load. Last and final test, the customer can see the UPS remotely on their mobile phone via Remo, which provides them with all the information they need. A morning's work that will bring a return on investment over the next 12 months.